Hello Allah. How are you everybody? I hope you are okay today. Yes. Welcome to the fourth ELI round 2 lecture. تمام. And my name is Khulud. And I'm still a student with the CELTA certificate, as you see. Okay. Next. That as you see the project timeline. ده الخط اللي احنا هنمشي فيه في المحاضرة دي. تمام؟ بداية هنشوف picture. تمام؟ Then some picture together هنعمل تحليل لبعض الصور كده. بعدين هنسمع فيديو وشوية أسئلة. أتمنى يكون fun to you today. As you see, we have an SMS message. Let's check it. Okay. So today we will find out the title of the lesson today by this picture. Okay. Can you tell me what you say? ممكن تقولي احنا شايفين ايه في الصورة ديت؟ نوصفها سوا. تمام. سلمى ممكن؟
I think it's a learning process.
Okay, thank you. Clap for her. And what else? Okay, Ziad.
I think they are having a meeting in a workshop, workplace.
Thank you, Ziad. Clap for him. So, as we see, that man tell us by English language. هو مدينا رسالة بس باللغة الإنجليزية and he was in office. تمام؟ So, can you guess together إيه الموضوع بتاع النهاردة؟ Yes, I can't hear you. Yes, using English in the office. Thank you so much. Speaking English at work. So, the number 2, we have some picture. We will gonna analyze this picture. تمام؟ هنشوف مجموعة صور وهنحللها سوا دلوقتي. Okay, the first one is ممكن حد يحلل الصورة دي؟ ده زمان باين عليه الهبة. تمام؟ And someone introduced someone. So, what is the verb or the word describe this picture? Yes, Salsabil. Okay, can you come here?
We can see he is a old man, and this man translate to hear what he is saying.
Okay, thank you, Salsabil. Clap for her. But we have another word. Yes. Someone introducing. So, introducing. What is introducing? It's to say your name, okay? Introducing يعني بيعرف نفسه. Say your name, share some information عن حياته. That's it, okay? So, introduce. Repeat after me. Yes. Introduce. Okay, thank you. And the second one is, yes. As you see the picture, it tells us, who can read it? مين ممكن يقرأ؟ You are awesome. Yes, together again. You are awesome. Okay.
You are great, you are perfect.
Yes, you are perfect. You are a special person. Thank you. Clap for hair. Yes. Okay. Yes. Can you come here?
Announcement means that you have some news to get say.
So thank you. Thank you. Clap for hair. Yes. It's look like a notification. Yes. It can be in newspaper or television. تمام يعني النوتيفيكيشن دي ممكن تبقى عن طريق التلفزيون as a TV تمام and public place as a student or friends together لما مثلا حاجة حلوة تحصل في البيت وتقولي لصاحبتك فده it's notification. Okay. And the last picture. Yes. ممكن نوصفها بإيه؟ Yes. Some people try to help each other. بعض الناس بيساعدوا بعض. ممكن نوصفها ازاي؟ Okay, زياد.
Cooperation.
Cooperation, yes. Thank you. Clap for him. Anyone else? Any? Yes?
See that they are opening a new project or maybe they are moving to a new place. Yes? Yes, that's why they have a lot of boxes. For that, they are starting a new job.
Yes, maybe new job, new event, going to another place. Okay, clap for hair. Another one? Someone need to share? Yes, Dr. Reba.
I think this is either clapping or unclapping. This is how I see it.
Yes. Yes. But here, receiving. Yes, it's receiving. Okay. Receiving. Repeat after me. Receiving. Okay. And here we have some examples. Sorry. It's look like receiving an email, receiving bad news. يعني يشارك. إن حد يشارك معاك الباد نيوز زي ما بنقول في الحلوة والمرة يعني. تمام؟ يتلقى. Yes. Receiving an email هنا بمعنى يتلقى رسالة إيميل. تمام؟ بس receiving bad news برضو ممكن يبقى يتلقى أخبار سعيدة أو حزينة whatever. Okay, as you see, we will have 4 minutes to listen the video, okay?
Today is Mark's first day at work, and Mark is getting ready to go to work early. Morning, Mom. I'm going to work. Lovely, dear. Well, good luck. Thanks, Mom. Bye, Mom. Bye, love. Come on. This is his first day of work.
Oh, yes. Good luck to you. Thanks, Dad. Bye. Good morning, Mr. Parker. Good morning, Mr. Johnson. How are you today? I'm doing great. What about you? I'm fine, thank you. Welcome to your first day in our company. Linda will introduce you to the team. Thank you very much, Mr. Parker.
Glad to have you on our team, Mr. Johnson.
Linda, would you take Mr. Johnson to introduce him to the team, please?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Johnson, would you like to tour the office first and then meet your colleagues?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Please come with me, Mr. Johnson.
Please call me Mark.
Okay. Mark, this will be your desk, and this is your chair. This is your computer. This is your telephone. These are your files.
Wow! It feels like it is my birthday.
Well, here are some more birthday presents. Here are your pens and pencils, your calculator, your ruler, your scissors, and your stapler.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, what is the point in this video? ايه اللي حصل في الفيديو ده؟ Okay, yes.
When Mr. Johnson is going to his first day at work, he meets his boss and he finds his new desk with his new stuff that he's going to work with.
Okay. Thank you. Clap for her. So, Mr. Johnson, what is the first thing he do? Introducing himself. أول حاجة هو عملها هو إنه عرف نفسه للبوس وللزملاء. تمام؟ Okay. Now tell us about your first day at work. قول لنا أول يوم في الشغل بتاعك. Who is working? Raise your hand. Okay. Who else? Used to? Okay. So Sabil, can you show us your first day at work? Yes, okay.
I don't remember all things, but I am an English and Quran teacher for kids. My first day in the work. When I do this work, I introduce myself to my boss, and just until now I am working in this place. That's it.
Thank you, Sabil. Clap for her. Yes. Who else? Okay, Dr. Ghada.
Thank you so much for the engaging video. I would like to share my first day at work. I remember the day very quite well. It's like I had this very tall colleague of mine. She was called Rasha. She took me around for the tour. So I was like, good morning, this is Lena, this is Rasha. I'm being part of the team. And then it was at private university where I just started my work. I was super obsessed with the control room, I remember. So I was taking the tour around. Nothing was interesting more than the control and seeing all the papers there. It was like that part of the world that was always forbidden. So now I step in as a teacher, you see? So I remember the feeling there. We didn't have stationery or pens or anything, and we didn't have nearby places where we can buy them. You see? So luckily I always have a diary. I keep a diary on me. So this was the first day I wrote notes about work in my personal diary. That was only that day. Otherwise, I always have a diary for work. So thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Hannah. Okay, guys, I have a work, and I will tell us about my first day. As Dr. Ghada said, you must at first day take note about everything in your work as a new person. You must know what is your work and ask about everything. يعني ما نتكسرش اننا نسأل عن كل تفصيلة صغيرة as a beginning. Okay? That's it. Okay. So here we have an advice for today. Who can read it? Yes? Anyone else? Okay, Muhammad.
Remember that a job, even a great job or a fantastic career, doesn't give your life meaning, at least not by itself. Life is about what you learn, who you are or can become, who you love and are loved.
Yes. Clap for hand. Yes. Who need read this again? Yes, you? Okay.
Remember that a job, even a great job or a fantastic career, doesn't give you life meaning, at least not by itself. Life is about what you learn, what you are, and or can become, who you love or are loved.
Yes. Clap for hair. نصيحتنا لليوم هو انك تفتكر الشغل بتاعك حتى لو كان fantastic career، يعني انه شغل perfect او amazing، مش بيدي لحياتك معنى على قد ما انت كبرسون بتدي لحياتك المعنى. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for attendance.